A few documents that you need for your registration. For you to have a successful registration for your JAMB, you need to get these documents ready. Why I'm giving you these things are because they are very important. It will help you to avoid mistake. And remember, at the end of this video, I will give you free JAMB pass questions. I will give you free JAMB syllables. These are the things that will help you to pass your exams in flying colors, because in our channel Noble Tutorials, our goal is to ensure to help all people connected to our channel to score at least 300 in JAMB. You must get at least 300 in your JAMB. Do you claim it? If you claim it, let me know. So let us dive in. What are those documents that you need for a successful JAMB registration? These are very important because if you make any mistake, it will eventually affect you in your admission, not only in the JAMB but also in the admission process. Number one is you need your NIN. You may write WAEC without NIN, but for now, NIN is so compulsory for JAMB. Once you are writing JAMB, whether you are within Nigeria or you are outside, you are registering outside, you must have your NIN, National Identity Number. Some of you also doesn't know how to get your NIN, and in this video, I will also share with you how you can easily get your NIN. Remember at the end of this video to get free pass questions from me. Remember also to get free syllables from me, okay? Number two, you need a valid email address. I've emphasized this. Number one, I've said, what is number one thing I said? Email address. Number two, I've said, no. Number one, I said NIN, your national identity number. Number two, I talked about your email address. Your email address is so crucial because JAMB will be communicating to you through your email address. Even the university you will get admission to study into will be reaching out to you through your email address. The number three thing you need is an active phone number. A what? An active phone number. Your own active phone number, not your mother's own, not your friend's own, not your siblings' own. It must be your own. Okay? Then you need a recent passport. A recent passport photograph. White background, 45mm and 35mm. It will be taken when you are registering for the JAMB. So the particular place you'll be registering, they will capture that your passport, right? Now, I hope you remember what we said. We said NIN, we said email address. If you don't know how to open an email address, let me know so I will help you to do that. Active phone number, your own phone number. A phone number that is linked to your NIN. Very important. Then SIM card, recent passport, which will be taken in your place of registration. Number two, other important requirements for JAMB registration are, number one is your profile code. With your SIM card, you can generate your profile code, right? You don't need to go to the bank. You don't need to go to any JAMB office. Just dial a particular number with your NIN and you will get your profile code. I've done a video in this channel on how you can get your JAMB profile code, so I will attach it somewhere in this at the end of this video. If you don't know how to get your profile code and you want me to send you that video, just tell me to send you the link. Just tell me in the comments, say send me the link of how to generate my profile code. You can do it within 2 seconds. 2 seconds is enough for you to generate a profile code. Remember, the whole essence of everything we are doing in our channel for now is to ensure that everybody connected to this channel, Noble Tutorials, scores at least 300. At least 300. So you need to wake up. You need to wake up and start preparing. You will get at least 300, except if you don't believe it. If you believe it, let me know. If you believe it, claim it in the comment section. Okay, so other things you need to do it is your profile code, JAMB profile code. So it's very important. You can get it from your phone. With your phone, once you have an active phone number, you can get your JAMB profile code. Number two, your electronic PIN. I've done a video on how you can get your electronic PIN. In fact, I've done 3 videos how you can get it. Even if you have an OPay account, you can get it through the normal banks. You can get it through authorized retailers, vendors. You can also get it online. So you need profile code, which you can generate from the comfort of your home. You need an JAMB e-PIN. That one is 3005, right? Then you need to also indicate your choice of institution, which school, your choice of institution, and the course you intend to study. Okay, do you want to study medicine, and which institutions are you choosing as of first, second, third, and fourth choice, right? So you need to note all those things. I've always emphasized that you must ensure that your choice of institution is in agreement with the course. So the course you are studying, you must research and know if the institution you are putting offers that course, right? There are many institutions don't offer all the courses, so if you need guidance on that, also ask me in the comment section. The next thing you need is your O-level result. That is either WAEC, NECO, or NAPTEB. The WAEC could be WAEC GC or normal WAEC. If you don't have all those things, and maybe you'll be writing your WAEC this year, or NECO this year, or GC this year, it can be written as awaiting result. JAMB also accept that, provided that the result will be out before your admission. Then the last thing is your current biodata. In that JAMB form, remember yesterday we did a video on how to properly, correctly fill your JAMB form without any mistake. If you want me to share with you that video, I will share it with you. So you need to fill your biodata in your JAMB form. Very important. Now, I hope you are following. Remember to get free past questions and free you need to get free past questions and free syllables at the end of this video. They are very important. Let's look at the next thing. Why is NIN so important? Why these things are important? NIN, unique identifier for all Nigerian citizens. NIN shows that you're a citizen, right? That you're a citizen of the country. Number 2, email. Your email is important because it is with it that communication will flow between you and JAMB. It is with it that communication will flow between you and the institution. So the email needs to be very, very secure and active. Number 3, so it also means that now that you are registering for JAMB, you need to be checking your email at least once or twice in a day. These days, many Nigerians are not active on email. We are active on social media, but we are not active on email. So be checking your email regularly. Your phone number is important for SMS, not for call or not for phone. They will not call you, but they'll be sending you messages into your phone number. And SMS notifications and verification. Number 4 is SIM card. Must be registered in your name. Your SIM card must be registered in your name. That's why I keep saying you cannot use your mother's, or you cannot use your parents, or you cannot use your friends, or just go to the market if you don't have and buy one. With 500 naira, you can buy, right? Then passport photograph. Passport is important so that they can look at it and know that you are the one. Then let's look at how you can obtain your NIN. Very simple way to obtain NIN. Number 1, visit the NIMC office. That is the National Identification Management Commission office, and enroll. So when you go there, you just fill out the form. You fill the form, provide required documents like your birth certificate, your ID card, etc., right? Then capture your biometric data. Then may take your thumbprint. This thing happens within 15 minutes, you are done. So go to an NIN office if you have not done it to get these things ready, right? Okay. Then the last thing we'll be looking at, some tips. Ensure your email address and phone number are active and accessible. Ensure that you are the one that has access to your email address and your phone number. This means you should try as much as possible to have maybe a smartphone, right? Double check your biodata information. As you are filling your JAMB form, both for the JAMB and for the NIN form, double check it. When you fill it once, check it again to ensure there is no mistake. One single mistake can cost you a lot in your JAMB, in your admission process. Use a valid or unique email address. Use an email address that only you has access to, like the password and everything. Keep your profile code and ePIN secure. Your profile code and ePIN ought to be secure. These are the things I've been teaching you. For you to get, if you want to get past questions free, what you need to do, just do 3 things. You can say thanks. You will see a link for saying thanks in our channel, just click on it, say thanks. Then most importantly, like this video. Number 1, like this video, say thanks. Number 3, share this video, click on share. Then very importantly is that you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe now. Click on subscribe. When you subscribe, then come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Subscribe. Come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Remember to like, share this video, like this video, copy the link and post on all the JAMB groups that you belong to. Then subscribe. When you subscribe, come under the video and say I have subscribed. Once you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you free past questions, free syllables. If you also need to buy from me the book Lucky Headmaster, the recommended novel, I will also share it with you. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it now and watch, because it's so important.